Endometriosis is a condition that affects 1 in 10 women and can have difficult and debilitating symptoms that can affect a woman's quality of life in so many ways. Now, unfortunately, there's no official cure for this condition. There are some treatments in the medical system that are used to manage symptoms, and they often include either surgery or hormonal treatments. Unfortunately, for many women, these treatments either are not helpful enough, or can have many difficult side effects, or over time, the symptoms can return. Now, there's an important reason why this is, and that's because an important root cause of endometriosis is not addressed with these treatments. I've been digging into the research to try to find answers for myself to control my own endometriosis, as well as my experience as a naturopathic doctor. I wanted to understand this from a root cause perspective. And what I found in the research was very surprising, and I found something that's not talked about enough. And that's that a very important root cause of endometriosis and its progression is immune dysfunction, which means that the immune system is not working optimally, and this can lead to the development and progression of immune cells, immune reactions, and all sorts of other reactions that can lead to the propagation and progression of endometriosis. Now, immune dysfunction is also a root cause of other conditions like autoimmune disease, asthma, allergies, fibromyalgia, and chronic fatigue. And so that's why women with endometriosis, studies have found, have a higher tendency to also develop other conditions that are associated with immune dysfunction, like autoimmune, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, asthma, and allergies. And while endometriosis at this point is not classified as an autoimmune disease, they both have a very similar root cause of immune dysfunction, and this is why they look similar in many ways. Now, I want to bring this up because this is an issue that is not talked about enough, and that is to get better control over symptoms of endometriosis. It's really important to address root causes, and this is the case for any condition. So if a root cause of endometriosis is immune dysfunction, it's really important to address the immune system. And so this is something that's often missed with traditional medical treatments of hormone therapy and surgery. And this is why for some women, these treatments are either not fully helpful, not helpful at all, or in some cases, especially with surgery, the symptoms can come back. So whether a woman chooses medical treatment or not, if they include addressing the immune system as well as everything else that they're doing, they're going to be more likely to see better results and more control over those difficult symptoms from endometriosis. Now, if you found this helpful and interesting, I encourage you to share this video with others that you think would benefit from learning this vital piece of information. And also check out the hashtag EndoImmune on Instagram. This is where I post a lot of this information and the research that I'm finding on endometriosis and its association with immune dysfunction.